Hello, besties. Watch me transform this wig into a very beautiful wig. This wig was actually brought to me by my customer. She wanted to throw this wig away. I advised her to revamp it. And she gave me the wig. Okay, guys, watch me transform this wig into a very beautiful one. So this is me washing the wig. I had to use warm water to wash it with my herbal shampoo. Yes, this is me washing it. First of all, you have to wash your wig because there's a lot of dust. I don't know where she kept this wig. The wig is full of dust, so I had to wash it first before doing anything with it. So the next thing I'm going to apply on it is my leave-in conditioner, a very good leave-in conditioner. Yes, if you want to revamp your hair, just wash it, use conditioner and a leave-in conditioner, and you will love the process. Just keep on watching and you will see how I was able to transform this wig, this fiber hair. Like, just keep on watching.
New adventures every day, fun and joy, galore. From sunrise till the night away, always something more. New adventures every day, fun and joy, galore. From sunrise till the night away, always something more. Every comment, every share shows me how much you care. Feels like flying through the air. With you all, I'm never scared. Together we can reach the stars, no matter where or how far. With your support, we're never apart. Thank you, all you have my heart. Every click and every view helps me do what I can do. I appreciate all of you. Your support is so true. Keep on supporting, don't you stop. With every view we rise to the top. Stay with me, let's make it rock. Keep on watching around the clock. Through the highs and the lows, with your love and the shows, we keep moving, that's how it goes. Your support, it truly shows. Through the highs and the lows, with your love and the shows, we keep moving, that's how it goes. Your support, it truly shows. Support, it truly shows. Every comment and the clock. Through the highs and the lows, with your love and the shows, we keep moving, that's how it goes. Your support, it truly shows. Every comment, every clock. Through the highs and the lows, with your love and the shows, we keep moving, that's how it goes. Your support, it truly shows. Every comment, every share shows me how much you care. Feels like flying through the air. With you all, I'm never scared. Together we can reach the stars, no matter where or how far. With your support, we're never apart. Thank you, all you have my heart.
So after applying a leave-in conditioner very well, be generous with it. Apply it like apply enough on it. So after applying it, just get a heat steamer, hair steamer. Like if you don't have it, you can use nylon, just the way I'm using it here in this video. But if you have a hair steamer, you can use it, right?
through the shows, every comment, every clock, through the highs and the lows. With your love it shows.
So fast forward to the next day, I'm going to unravel it, going to bring out the wig, okay, to see how it came out. Alright? Yeah, so keep on watching. So this is the wig. I've already brought it out. So what I'm going to do now is to rinse out some of the leave-in conditioner in it. Alright? Yes, after rinsing it out, just have to air dry it, or you can use your hair dryer to dry it. So that is it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to stretch the wig. Yes, I'm going to stretch it. All right. Yeah, so that's just it. So that's what I did. Basically, everything I did. And this is the wig, the outcome, the results. Is this wig not looking beautiful? Ah, so guys, I was able to transform this wig like into this beautiful wig you are looking at. Yeah, so if you have a very bad wig that you want to like throw away, don't do that. You can just follow this step, revamp it, and you will love your wig. You will get your wig back. Most of the times when our wig look as if it's not looking good again is because the hair needs moisturization. The hair is actually dry, needs to be like washed, pampered, moisturized very well to turn out good. So don't trash your wig, revamp it. You can do it on your own. Wash it, use a lovely conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. Do you understand? Just steam it and you will love your hair, you will love your wig, you will love the results you will get. Your wig will feel so moisturized and beautiful. So try it out and thank me later. Alright, bye. See you in my next video. I love you.